Here is a quick one. 7 bracket 1 minus 7 divided by 7 looks simple, right? But most people mess it up. Don't forget the order of operation when solving something like this. Whether you are used to PEMDAS or you are used to BODMAS, they are both the same. You work on the bracket or the parenthesis before you do any other thing. So here we are to solve what we have in this bracket first. That means we maintain our 7 here. Then in the bracket, you are to divide. Division comes before subtraction. So we still have 1 minus 7 divided by 7 is 1. So this will be 1 minus 1. And this will give 7 times 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. So the answer to this question is 0. If you have any question, click the link in the description and leave your question there and I will bring the solution here.